What if I told you that anyone earning a regular salary can save $10,000 in just 6 months without cutting every joy from their life? Stay with me, because I'm going to show you the exact system I used. Most people live paycheck to paycheck, not because they earn too little, but because nobody ever taught them how to make a savings plan that actually sticks. Sound familiar? The secret isn't radical frugality. It's 3 simple pillars: awareness, automation, and accountability. First, track every CDs or dollar for 30 days. Not to shame yourself, just to see where your money actually goes. Most people discover they're leaking 20% of income on small, forgotten expenses. Second, automate your savings the moment your salary hits your account. Transfer a fixed amount before you spend anything. Pay yourself first, always. Third, create a savings challenge with micro milestones. Celebrate every 500 Ghanaian cedis or $500 saved. Dopamine makes the habit stick. With these 3 pillars, $10,000 in 6 months is absolutely achievable. That's roughly $417 per month, less than most people spend eating out. Like this video and subscribe for weekly money strategies that actually work. Your future self will thank you.